We're eliminating the number one source of creator anxiety, never knowing if your YouTube title is actually good. You're probably stressing over every word choice, with no way to predict results. I built a system of over 750 title frameworks from viral videos that now removes all the guesswork. Now I create titles in 60 seconds with complete confidence, and my views have tripled as a result. I want to show you exactly how it works. In this video, you'll learn my exact system for creating high-performing YouTube titles in just 1 minute, see how to use AI with proven frameworks to generate successful titles, and discover how to build your own title generation skill that consistently drives more views. Plus, I'm giving you access to the master list of over 750 proven title frameworks that I use for my own channel. You'll get the entire database along with a tutorial on how to implement it correctly, completely free. But first, let me ask you, what if I told you that the title for my most successful video took less than a minute to create, and that it wasn't based on guesswork, but on a proven system that anyone can replicate? Let's be honest, most creators approach titles completely wrong. Overthinking for hours, copying trendy formats without understanding why they work, using personal judgment instead of data, and creating clever titles that algorithms ignore. I know because I've been there. The crushing disappointment of pouring your heart into a video for days only to see it get 259 views in the first week. The late nights staring at a blank title field, second-guessing every word choice. The jealousy when you see someone else's seemingly basic video take off when yours sits unnoticed. That feeling in the pit of your stomach when you realize you've wasted hours creating something nobody will ever see. I've felt it all. Remember my video, Making Great Content Isn't Enough? Of course you don't. I actually had to change that title because it underperformed so badly. Terrible title, barely any views. I spent 2 hours on that title alone trying to be clever instead of strategic. You might be in that exact place right now, and if you are, I get it. It's frustrating and demoralizing. The reality is, titles aren't just labels. They're the single most important factor determining whether your video gets clicked. According to YouTube's own data, titles have a bigger impact on CTR than thumbnails for most creators. But here's where it gets interesting. What if instead of guessing what makes a good title, you could just leverage patterns from videos that have already blown up? Think of YouTube titles like keys, not labels. Most creators approach titles as labels that describe their content, but successful creators know that titles are actually keys that unlock doors to visibility. The better your title, the more doors it unlocks. The algorithm door, the curiosity door, the value proposition door, and ultimately, the growth door. Even the most beautifully crafted content remains hidden when your title can't open these doors. And just like a locksmith has a set of master key patterns that open specific locks, there are a set of title patterns that consistently unlock views. That's exactly what my system leverages, the powerful combination of frameworks based on proven outlier videos and AI. A collection of over 750 proven title patterns from outlier videos using artificial intelligence to apply these frameworks. Let me explain what I mean by outlier videos. These are videos that significantly outperform a channel's average views, the breakout hits that creators dream about. By studying thousands of these outliers, patterns emerge in their titles that we can learn from. And let me be clear about something important. I didn't personally collect all these frameworks. The database of title patterns comes from Jake Thomas, who has spent years meticulously studying these outlier videos and reverse engineering their title structures. Could I have created my own database? Sure. But when the work is already done, and done well, I'd rather just stand on the shoulders of giants. Jake has put in thousands of hours collecting and analyzing these patterns, and I trust his work because it's based on real data from videos that consistently outperform their channel averages. These frameworks form the foundation of a system that solves the title problem once and for all. No more guesswork, no more uncertainty, just titles that work, created in about a minute. Now let's break down how this actually works in practice. The foundation of this system is understanding that successful titles follow patterns. The key insight from Jake's research is that outlier videos, the ones that vastly outperform their channel's average, often use specific title formulas that trigger curiosity and tap into desire or fear. You know, this is exactly the kind of deeper insight that I share in my weekly newsletter, Boundless Creator. In fact, I shared this exact title method with my subscribers weeks ago, giving them a head start on implementing these frameworks. And when you sign up for the newsletter today, you'll get immediate access to the complete database of over 750 proven title frameworks, along with a detailed tutorial on exactly how to use them. This is the same database that I use for my own channel every single day. If you're serious about growing on YouTube beyond just surface level tips, I'd love to have you join us. Each week, I break down strategies that I'm testing, mindset frameworks, and actionable steps that are working right now. The link is in the description if you want to level up your creator journey. Now back to these powerful title frameworks. The database contains over 750 proven frameworks that can be applied to any topic. Here's what they look like. Let me share some of the best performers. Notice something important here. These aren't just random formulations. They're specific structures that create both curiosity and a clear value proposition. And something magical happens when you use them consistently. Before I reveal why these frameworks work so well, take a moment to think. What do these title patterns have in common? What elements make them so clickable? Now take a moment and think about your last 3 video titles. Do they follow any of these proven patterns? Pause the video and actually go check right now. Now that we understand the power of frameworks, let's see how to apply them efficiently with AI. Having frameworks is great, but the magic happens when you combine them with AI. This is where we turn knowledge into an efficient system. AI is powerful, but it needs guardrails. Frameworks provide those guardrails. Think of AI like a river, and when you give it banks to flow through, your frameworks, it becomes a powerful directed force. Here's what most creators get wrong with AI. They ask it to write a good YouTube title about my niche topic, and then they get generic junk 2-part titles filled with semicolons that suck. Instead, I use AI to implement specific frameworks based on my content. I know some of you might feel hesitant about using AI effectively, but don't worry, this approach is straightforward, even if you're not tech savvy. I'll walk you through it step by step. Here's my exact prompt template. I paste this, and then I paste around 100 frameworks for it to use. This gives me plenty of options to choose from in one go, but not too much that it can't process everything. Simply fill in your content type, niche, and audience in the prompt, paste in a selection of frameworks from the database, review the 20 title options that the AI generates, and then choose the best option that balances curiosity and value. And here's a pro tip that takes us to the next level. You can actually go a step further and paste in your previous videos along with their view counts and engagement metrics, and then ask the AI which title frameworks might work best for your specific channel based on the views and likes that your videos are already getting. This creates a feedback loop where you're consistently refining your frameworks that work best for your unique audience, and not just what works in general. Notice I'm not letting AI decide what makes a good title. I'm telling it exactly what structures work, and then it's filling in the specifics. If you're finding this system helpful, hitting that like button helps more creators discover this approach. I know firsthand how frustrating it is to create great content that nobody sees, and your like helps me reach others who might be in that same position. And great job staying with me so far. We've covered the 2 main pillars of my title system, frameworks, and the AI implementation. Now I want to share with you an additional tool that I use to complement this approach. In addition to my framework AI approach, I also use VidIQ as another powerful tool in my title creation arsenal. This is separate from the 1-minute hack, but works alongside it for even better results. I have 2 specific strategies that I use with VidIQ. First, I've built the habit of reviewing VidIQ's daily suggestions for my channel. These are tailored to my specific audience and niche. These channel-specific titles ensure that your titles resonate with your specific audience and not just a general YouTube audience. I make it a habit to save 1 to 3 suggestions daily, and now I have a robust idea bank when I'm ideating. Second, I use VidIQ to search for outlier videos that I might want to create my own version of. This exact approach led me to discover the concept that became my biggest video so far. I should mention that the channel-specific ideas and the specific outlier search feature are a part of VidIQ's paid version, which is currently $19 a month, down from their previous $50. The free version will still help you find outliers as you browse YouTube, but the dedicated search capability requires the paid plan. If you want to try it out, I've got a special link in the description that lets you test it for a month for just $1. It's been worth every penny for me, but I wanted to be transparent about the cost. And now that you understand both the primary system and the complementary approach, let's look at the real results they've delivered. The impact of these title strategies has been remarkable for my channel. Let me share some examples. Here are real titles I've created using these framework and outlier approaches. Now, I can't tell you exactly how much better these would have performed than alternative titles would have. That's impossible to know unless I actually publish the same video twice with different titles. But what I can tell you is that these videos significantly outperform my channel average at the time I published them. Notice how each of these titles leverages the frameworks that I shared earlier and speak directly to the results that my audience wants. You've seen the process and the results. Now let me share how this system transformed my own channel. Since implementing these title strategies, my channel's growth has accelerated dramatically. My average view count has increased by 671%, my impressions increased by 33%, and my subscriber growth has exploded and increased by 1,466%. But the most telling evidence is my biggest hit to date. I actually quit YouTube after just 4 months and 10 videos. I completely burnt myself out trying to push too hard doing something I wasn't actually thrilled about doing. The grind was real, and it wasn't sustainable. But when I came back to the platform, I had this system in place. Even though my inner perfectionist keeps second-guessing things, this framework has been one of the biggest reasons for my success so far. My biggest video gained over 80,000 views in its first month, something I couldn't have ever imagined happening during those early burnout days. The craziest part? That title took me about a minute to create. Not hours of agonizing, just a moment of systematic work. As you consistently apply the system, you'll develop an intuitive sense for what titles the almighty algorithm actually favors. With practice, you'll build the skill to recognize what is and isn't a good title, even without running through the full system. But this gets you to a good baseline, and as you get more practice, you'll develop the skill to recognize strong titles intuitively. Look, I need to be straight with you. The path to YouTube success isn't a straight line. I've had videos that I thought would explode, get barely any views, even with this system. But what has kept me going is having systems like this that eliminate the variables that I can control. Don't get discouraged if your first few attempts don't yield dramatic results. Stick with it, refine your approach, and trust the process. Remember, every successful creator went through periods of doubt before finding their breakthrough. When I stopped obsessing over individual video performance and started trusting the process, that's when my channel truly began to grow. You will have setbacks, you will have doubts, but with this framework, you'll have one more element of your creator journey that you can approach with confidence instead of anxiety. Let's recap what we covered. 1. Using proven title frameworks with AI to create powerful titles. 2. Jake Thomas's database of over 750 title patterns from outlier videos. 3. How to apply specific frameworks with AI guardrails. And 4. How to use VidIQ as a complementary tool for title ideas and channel research. Remember, you can get the complete database of over 750 frameworks and the step-by-step tutorial by signing up for my newsletter through the link in the description. This is the exact resource that I used for my own channel, and I'm excited to share it with you. Together, these approaches take the guesswork out of title creation and consistently deliver results. Think of this system like a recipe. Frameworks are your ingredients, AI is your cooking technique, and practice is how you develop your chef's intuition. Just the fact that you're still watching this video tells me you're locked in. Keep going, keep building, and your channel won't just grow, it'll snowball. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this: your titles aren't just words. They're the keys that unlock your content's potential. You now have the exact system I use to create high-performing titles in just 1 minute. Don't forget to grab your copy of the framework database by signing up for my newsletter. The link is right there in the description. But here's the thing. Now that you've learned this title system, you're actually halfway there. I need to be brutally honest with you. Great titles alone won't save your channel. In fact, what you just learned in this video could be completely wasted if you don't understand the deeper principles of YouTube growth. You absolutely need to watch this video where I reveal the 25 critical lessons that I learned from 14 years of making every possible mistake. Without these insights, you'll keep hitting invisible walls no matter how good your titles are. It took me over a decade to realize that focusing on vanity metrics was holding me back. If you don't want to waste years like I did, you should watch this next.